Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how you can see Google Form responses. First up, sign in on your Google Form account. And from here, you just have to select the form. So basically, I'm going to select the form that I have just created. So this one. And then here, as you can see, once they got this form, they will basically enter their email and select their services. Right from here, I have three choices. And then if they respond, you will find at the top of your tab, basically you'll find the responses tab right here. Click this one and you will find the two responses. And at the summary, you will find here the specific emails that has been responded to this form and also the graph. And here you'll find also the question where you can find the specific question where they were responded. And also an individual, you'll find here the details per individual. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.